It's a girl Dino Caro, and of course this is CMTV. Shooting another episode with myself and Gams and the whole team. Okay. Aren't you going home? You must go in Lolo. Baba Jola Mumu Johannesburg. If you guys are going back home, just know we want to be introduced now. It's time for us to get introduced. If your man is not taking you home this year, got this month, just know he's getting married. December. And see what's happening. Dumela maboko ga ke lo mogelesegele via it's a girl Dino Caro and this is CMTV my scat kemo ni athebana na ntse ba ka couple teaching phones my scat na ke are lo jola jwang rena re sa jole a re tsabe mo strateng re ba kene and see gore what's happening ntshala morago and see
and wena okwesithunga liba luba last wathi mandibambe izivuke ndayimela mina lo nto
indaba yaziwenzakalani
lo kusendela amabele
ari mutle pelo
it's not what you think man khulumani ngoba uyasho lo muntu ukuthi una 2 years and lokhu
bathi akithola pisha ke monna
Masburn. I like it when people come to me. I like it when money comes. I like it when the content comes. Yeah. You've never thought of being a pastor in your life?
Pastor?
Yeah. I thought it's the easiest way to make money. Jesus.
Nowadays, yes, it is.
Jesus. Yeah, it is. It is. Just gonna get a pinky ring is there.
Yeah.
And I'll be like, hello. How are you guys? Ungawari asihlangi silindeni nala. Wena. Hayibo, wena uyex yami asona sizwe.
kanjani
Sizwe. Ha, sizwe wayimposa. Kupotle kwano. Awungazi. Sizwe. Hami emanthe guys kupo bolela lona he. Hello. Njani? Me and you girls here fun as go get my hipsters. How? How are you Sizwe?
I saw this is Jeffrey das.
Nujahila gupi.
Salaimol.
Ufana no Sizwe, what's your name?
No.
What's your name?
Sorry, my sister.
You don't want to tell me your name. Why?
Jeffrey.
Anglo yimina.
Hello.
Don't think that I'm gonna take your name to somewhere.
Kamala Music.
Usihle. I was close. I knew that I've got the pasta thing. And what's your name, sister?
Noluthando
Notando.
Noluthando
No Lutando. What's your surname? I feel like I know. Starts with D. What's your surname? What does that mean? Unamang. Unamang. Are you for real though? Unamang. Where are you from?
Kagiso
Kagiso. Where in Kagiso? I love Kagiso. It used to be, I know, Father Gerald. Take up with Rato, Kamol.
ngisuka khona eSouth
Yeah, Father Gerald. Yeah, I know that. I used to have friends there. There by Nisia's place.
Oh.
Yeah. Are you also from KG?
Yes.
Where in KG?
Ngase Davidas.
W?
Davilas.
Oh, Davilliers.
Yeah, kona isitwati esibiza ngeDavilas.
Wani ukhuluma isiZulu suka eSoweto?
Ah, my sister.
Ngoba wani ukhuluma isiZulu suka eSoweto?
singumzulu nje
Yeah, so like hallo waseba uzibulela Setswana?
ya ke tsebe uzibuwa Setswana
Wazibua kere. Ubile wang correct. I like it. Asibulelo sabuyiwa ne. Wena watseba lwena?
Mina ngikhona ukukhuluma isiZulu.
Ukwazi ukhuluma isiTswana?
Isitswana cha angikhoni mara ngiyasizwa.
Ne.
Yeah.
Ayori uzogibela itaxi uthini? Uthini ngesitswana sale eKagiso?
ke tota na taxi
Yes. See, it's a slang from the inside. No, batana. No, kukagiso batana. That's how it is. So my name is Dineo, guys. Ne, I'm coming from CMTV, as you can see here. It's December. Abantu bawina ama gifts and everything. Don't you guys want to win gifts? You do. Yeah, so you have to, huh?
kind of
Kind of gift.
December gifts. Akere nung ka Valentine people win ama what. No, it's December gifts. Obviously, it's tickets, trips, especially for couples. Yeah, but you gotta do me a small favor. But before that, do you trust? Are you guys dating though?
Yes.
King in Carolina insecurity. You can leave each other. How? I'm not a lesbian. I don't want you, my man. How? What's happening? Huh? Can I be in the middle right here? All right. Yeah, right. So what is it that you really love about your person?
Yeah. She's a very calm person.
Oh, yeah?
She's understanding. She's caring. Then
Yeah.
should what I can say about her.
I feel like you're more calmer.
Me.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm more calmer, but like she's making me calmer
Yeah.
because I'm around with her. You see, I'm more.
Yeah. So she compliments you. Yes. What is it that you really love about your person?
He's a very good-hearted person and
Mm-hmm.
he's loving. Nje. Uhlezi engihlekisa bo.
Yeah.
I like his jokes.
He makes jokes though. Because the sun and everything. Askis. I got you. We're good. Thank you. So it's also calm, but we am tema muntu wako.
I do a lot.
I saw our flopele anyway.
No.
No cousin issues nyana so.
No.
Yangene phone yakhe. All right.
He unlocks mine. He knows my password. I know his.
All right. How long have you guys been dating for?
It's been 7 months.
7 months.
Yes.
It's going nice.
Yeah.
Love language ya go shapa jang. Kopa mfe tip, ne? I have a problem. Like I never really last in relationships like that. I think I'm one of the people. If people worry, get against a relationship advice, but you thought. So what is it? How can you advise a person like me to, be in a long-term relationship?
Like to be there for each other,
Mm-hmm.
actually, to care and to ensure that you are loyal to each other. You see,
Yeah.
loyalty comes first.
Loyalty comes first. All right. So this show, Ribita CMTV Nia Tembana, you get to exchange phones for 60 seconds. You get to if muntu for 60 seconds. Yes. Man, we were coming right. What's happening?
Okay.
Yeah. 60 seconds.
Second.
Second, not minutes. Seconds. Then why can I phone I can miscut utana iPhone?
Are you sure it's right now?
I'm sure because I'm going to I'm a phone with our access of both of us.
Yeah.
I'm opening with her gone before now.
It's been 3 weeks. I don't think.
Understand?
So what's
I
wrong?
understand that you don't understand this.
No.
What happened on the past 3 weeks? Mang ban phone.
Zingitsibonga sayibani.
Manje awas kanjani before.
My password. I changed the password.
Yeah, you are here, girl. You will unlock your phone
You
yourself.
change your password. Mina ngakayishintsha usayasi namashi.
Alright, Dinganju now and see for these 3 weeks we weren't communicating. Remember?
So me not communicating with you, does it mean ukuthi ngidlafu? Or does it mean ukuthi mina nawe sesihlukene namasqabeni?
No age.
Manje mawusubalisa kwenzana nama-Asia angapheli because njani?
I still an issue with this.
It seems like
Hi, boss. Keep your phone, man.
okay, please take out.
Hey, I take out yours as well, my sister. Oh, he's got your phone in the bag. Take out the phone. It's 60 seconds. It's so long. Hey. Okasha push up for 60 seconds while she goes. It's not a big deal. Kopa phone ya how. Right now you have a name. Why I don't understand, guys. Please comment down below. What is the purpose for this name? Ne? So hello, mind ladies and gentlemen, CMTV. My name is Dino Caro. Again, petty power. A parliament Dr. Dino Caro. Ni jola ganjani minanga jewel. Why Lulwana?
No, I said I'm asking him what's happened to his phone.
Yeah, what happened?
Just
Hey,
you know,
I give a
the problem is it's December right now.
Hey,
I don't
good exam.
I don't know you.
Yeah, good exam. Maraka ka phone ma.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, hi.
Yes, yes.
It's hard, my darling.
Calling, yeah.
Why not?
Calling, yeah.
How?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, mfe ewane. It's ke sidlams. Kana ka phone ha. Wena wa itse password akere.
He knows my password.
All right, kopa o unlock mo darlings. Unlock. No numero kana. Ish.
Cell phone now.
And his cell phone.
Yeah, I can tell. Kopa tsene mo WhatsApp.
What's up?
Yes. Who do you love more? than your boyfriend?
I love him.
Hauna family we ratang. Kopon se chela I love you.
I can tease when I'm young.
Ne. I'm turning a bell ne.
Cool.
How old are you, Natano?
Yes,
How old are you?
I'm 21.
All right. All right. You can delete more.
Okay.
Kopa on checkele pregnancy. Re batla ho bona hore a o kry-ile key kapo jwang. Tlamehile ho feta kwa. Ba o file key ko go lona.
Yeah.
They still do that, ne?
Yeah.
Ya key ya 21st. If,
It's nothing.
okay. Ish. Check nudes. You're not an Insta type of girl. Not really. How now the pressure of social media.
No, I don't.
Don't ever have a pressure of social media. They fake.
Ne?
They fake. And most of them live they're ugly. Okay. Nchekele come outside. Most of them that are ugly on camera, when you look at them live, they are pretty.
Except
But most of those who are pretty on camera,
they
they are ugly live. Or what like Abu Ghostruby. Ghostruby looks somehow in camera. But when you come look at that boy, they must leave the boy. Now that boy is nice.
That's only me.
Oh, okay. All right, go to Facebook. And search me for sex. I know Burajesh there, they ask for sex. Those Indians, they never ask you for sex.
I don't do Rajesh things.
You don't? You don't like free achanyana?
No.
Ne? Ish.
If I don't have money for Asha, I ask for my sister. If she doesn't have, she doesn't have.
Or you ask this one.
Sorry, what did I say?
I said sex. Abu Mohammed and Rajesh deny do they I know they they do such things. Mm.
Okay.
All right. Kalungena, there's nothing here actually. Kalungena my picture. Are you studying? Looking forward to.
Yes, I'm looking forward to studying.
What are you gonna study?
I wish to study hospitality.
Hospitality. When I strictly. Who unfolded those towels? Ooh, it's not me. Oh, there's nothing. Okay. Umuntu akakacheat. What is it that you wanna say to her?
That feels so nice of her. Like I trust her so much, really. I know she wouldn't disappoint me, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
you knew.
I know.
You knew and you know.
Yes, I know.
Me, I've got trust issues, so I need to go thoroughly, ne?
Yes, please.
Okay. You're not really a selfie person. I like that. I like that. So, what do you have to say? Why don't I to wachita when usho?
No. I'm not a cheating person.
Okay. Kwele phone, no? Kunja, you don't know the password? Fagi password yakhe.
Can you please hold this thing?
Ha! KZUW at the same time. Can I WhatsApp my darling? Excuse me. Motsadi kukolo unale transi. I'm sorry, flew. Mommy at home. She's got a car. Your daddy?
Yes, my father.
Okay, check outside. Come outside. How pick up is all?
No, not really.
Ni license.
Only come to see her with the time.
There's
my,
nothing.
my father.
There's nothing. Nchekela, I miss you.
I only pick up her.
Yeah.
Yes.
So there's no. How old are you?
I'm 22.
Who do you miss more than Nolutan?
It's Narutando. It's Palisa.
Why are you missing Palisa?
It's Ntabiseng. Who are they?
Palisa and Ntabiseng.
They are
Your friends?
They are my
So do you now have female friends now? Since it's been 3 weeks we've been apart. Now you have female friends.
we come together by us.
When did it started? Because when last time I checked, you didn't have female friends.
we actually classmates, you see. So like we help each other in class.
Oh,
Yes.
Yeah.
3 weeks back
Yes.
when we've been apart.
I think 2 weeks ago.
It's nice.
Such a sex. You're not helping them with sex. It happens.
Not really.
What are you guys studying if you guys are helping each other?
It's occupational health and safety.
No gynecologist, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's been long since we talked about sex and it appears precious.
Yeah. Can we call that Palesa girl? Just to confirm, you guys, it's been long for you guys talking about sex and stuff.
Like it's been a while.
Yeah.
For the 3 weeks that you've been apart, it's been a while since we talk about sex.
Yeah.
So it appears the girl, that classmate, apparently.
No, it's Nyakolisas.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Guys. It's a coincidence. I think my friend used my phone that other day.
Kunje, you studying what?
Occupational health and safety.
Oh, just because it's health, you go around sticking your fingers in everywhere.
No.
Oh, what's happening? Can you, where's that phone?
Because Mfezu like, oh, Asula.
Ask him phone, hello, girl.
And then you think your friend used your phone to text.
Yes.
My arm phone.
Just is that.
I don't know. You're asking me, this is your phone.
When now, just because ke health, you stick your hands everywhere.
Wena uthatha amanamba wabo.
Oh, precious. Precious akusiya.
Kanjani?
Wait, amazi jang.
Awumazi kanjani?
Are you sure? I can like, should I hang up?
Mazo precious.
Should I hang up or what?
Uvele efonini yakho.
Hello, Precious.
Hello,
Hi, darling. How are you?
I'm good and you?
I'm good. You're speaking to Dineo Caro from CMTV. Uyamazi ubuti bambiza uSihle.
How, baby?
How, baby? Uthi hello.
Oh. Sihle.
Hey, my loves.
No. Ngisi love yakho. You can't do that.
It's not even Sihle. Why are you calling yourself
Sorry.
Precious? Lo muntu athi uSihle.
Kanjani manje?
No.
Mana wo, manje ntombazana ukhuluma nentombi kaSihle lana ubani wena?
Yebo, ngumuntu wakhe.
Umuntu wakhe ngaliphi mama ngoba uthi yena akakwazi apparently umngane wakhe usebenzisa ifoni yakhe ukuthi akubhalele wena. Nikhuluma ngocansi.
Uqambelana mbango
Oh niyabhebhana wena naye. Oh.
Precious.
Athi.
Ngongidrophela.
Okay, akafuni ukukhuluma nawe.
Ngosikhwama sami.
Naye omunye isikhwama sa hayi esafoshini wena. Wena ubereka ku health, you stick your fingers everywhere.
Wo ma ungaliningi utetela isandla sami. Okokuqala wena uphalisa uThebiseng. Ubatshela ukuthi uyabakhumbula ama-classmate. Manje uPrecious awumazi wena. uPrecious awumazi. Ngikhuluma ngocansi niyabhebhana nina Precious. Niyabhebhana nina
Muyeke phela explain. Nothando muyeke akazi.
Ayaqina lamasende. 3 weeks mina nawe sihlukene mina nawe. Asibonanani. Lamasende kanti eyami inguza yona ilinde wena idrayo komviyo wena ungabhebhana. Iyasebenza isende lakho wena 3 weeks sonke. Musungidakela wena, musungeza islima.
Akini practical.
Angiyona nje ingane. Uexplain amasimba ini. Okokuqala umazi Precious. Okwesibili uPalisa noThebiseng ngama-classmates kodwa nijalana ukuthi ngiyakhumbulana kodwa niyasizana ngendaba zesikole. Musungenza islima wena mfana wena ngezwe ukuthi ngithini. Musungijwayela isendele nenkwantshu. Leli lakho. Vuka kanye. Ngiyakubekezelela wena mfana ukuthi ubhebha i1 round. Eyesibili iyakuhlula. Uyalivovo ngize ngikwazi.
Sokhuluma kanje abantu.
Ungenze nje.
Sokhuluma kanje ebantwini. Sokhuluma kanje.
Ungazongitshela ukuthi ukhuluma kanje
kamera wena.
Ungazongitshela
ngoba usibona amakamera.
Ungangitshela wena ungafuni ukuthi ngikushaya. Ungafuni ukuthi ngizokudwanyeza ngenye impama mina uzongitshela kabi wena. Ungalingi uzongitshela amasiko.
It's ngikaze nje.
Muyekela qaje
ayikho into akayichazayo lo. Okokuqala ngamaze uPalisa noThebiseng. Okwesibili sakayabazi manje ama-classmates.
Athi ama-practicals asesikoleni.
Ama-practicals adinga ukuthi nitshelane ukuthi niyakhumbulana. Usungenza isilima wena.
uPrecious asho ukuthi ngize ngale kubo. Khona i-assignment ebekumele usho.
Okay, i-assignment emayelana nocansi. Isesefonini yakho kuyaphela yena le ntombazane. Koze ngiphutha ngani? Nisendelana lama-sticker lawo okubhebhana wena.
Wena
Umsendela le
eggplant.
lelimile lelinamamasili wena lakho lokuqala lima kanye.
Oh.
Alilasi na 2 minutes. Kanti ungixhaphaza wena. Kahle ukungichaphela mina. Ungalunga uzongenza isende wena. Ungazeli uzongenza isende wena.
Kuyafana
Angiyona
uprecious
ingane,
ngiyaka kamnandi.
Ukunika kamnandi.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ah.
Kamnandi livuka kanye.
Qala kuyafana yona nje ukho ube manzi wena.
Oh.
Yeah, ayikho mnandi nalo.
Kuyima uzwa.
Yo.
Uprecious ukunika lonke. Zonke liyangidunusela uprecious.
Yo.
Wena itelo ezikuhlulayo.
Wena le trip
Athi uyahlulwa.
yona ukuthi uye esikoleni ngayo ngiyacela.
Awuzoyilanda lapha endlini.
Angeke
Ayenze ukhumule estradini.
Hayi shuthi ke yenza iplan phela.
Ayenze
Hayi shuthi yenza iplan phela ngoba nangihlangana ngithi wena uprecious
ngoba
ukunika
wena
kamnandi.
usebenza.
Ukunika kamnandi.
Yeah,
Mina
kamnandi.
angivi manzi angithi. Angihambeke ngiye kulaba abanginika imali ukuthi ngibheje wena sithutha. Sithutha ndini esihluleke ukuthola umsebenzi umdala umngaka.
Mina
Ungenza isilima ngepipa elivuka kanye.
Yeah.
Elivuka kanye.
Yeah.
Ungenza isilima wena.
Hayi sisi.
Into ethi ohlo. Ithi nje.
Okusalayo.
Mangizama ukujotha ayivuki.
Okusala uprecious yena uyanginika yena.
Oh.
Akusu precious ngenye nosihle lo omunye nalo wakhe bonke ngibadlile.
Ubadlile?
Hayi ke.
Ngepipa elichafazelayo
So wait first. What are you gonna do about the whole relationship thing?
No, like obviously ngizomshiyela.
Yes.
Angithi amasende seyeqina. Oh bakunikelele nakhunjani?
Yeah, awuthamile na December.
Cha vele kungadili kwamanene.
Umdolofi.
Oh sebefundisa umdolofi ukuthi isende lakho limi.
Ya liyama ke manje alisala.
Asethemba ukuthi lo mdolofi ngikuthi uzokushiya ngendlela ngoba uqala yokulimaza umthambo.
Yo.
Mawulimala umthambo isende ngeke lisavuka.
All right, ngicoma lizovuka.
So what are you gonna do about this relationship thing?
Hayi ngiyamshiya mina kahambi.
Okay, tsamang le gae he.
Ngiyakuthaya.
Ka gisho tu, tsama go tsa beke ya gago ke.
Precious.
Tsama go tsa beke ya gago go tana taxi we gae. O mo shiye lo muntu le relationship e phelile.
Kuyafana.
Relationship e phelile ibile ka ilata. Relationship e phelile. La jolelana o mnati. There's nothing to fix. Yeah, gela ungongwe.
Ungalinga uzungenza isilimo.
Hey.
Ngicela masoma ngitshela wona. Ayibi manzi. Kuyima uzwa manje ukuthi ayibi manzi.
Hey.
Kuyima uzwa manje ukuthi ayibi manzi.
Pressure.
Kuyima uzwa manje.
Yo.
Kuyima uzwa manje. Kuyima uzwa manje.
Hey Lina.
Sendela khali nenkwantsha kusukuthi sendela khali nenkwantsha lingafuki.
Hey nana, tlogela go rogana so.
Ungazongitshela ngethi
Tshwara beke ya. Hey Kakman, tshwara beke ya wena.
Yongena pressure.
uzobona.
Yongena pressure.
Uzobona.
Ngwana wa rogana yo. Tshwara beke ya gago wena Malisende. Bambe phone yakho Malisende. O hambe kahle ne. Herwa rogana yo. Askis precious. Yeah, guys, what an episode. I've never really expected her to go that crazy. I'm mal. But I hope Vanilla. And you know what trapana, but I'm certain that she's gonna win this war. And in Bona Kitabukhil. My name is Zinel Karen, of course. I'm with the beautiful crew and Glams. Kitakubona happy. This is CMTV on another episode from me and us. Peace. Dumela maboko ga ikirlo mogelesegele via it's a girl Dineo Caro and this is CMTV my scat kemo ni athebana na lantse ba couple teaching phones my scat na ke are lo jola jwang rena re sa jole a re tsabe mo strating re ba kene and see gore what's happening ntshala morago nsi
and wena okwesithunga liba last wathi mandibambe izivuke ngizayimela mina lo nto
indaba yazikwenzakalayo
lo lokusendela amabele ari mutle pelo
it's not what you think man khulumani ngoba uyasho lo muntu ukuthi una 2 years and lokhu
bathi
Hayi, akithola pisha ke monna.